This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Julie Frushel. Immaculate, updated maintenance-free villa in gated Stoneybrook Golf&CC. This 2-bedroom 2-bath with DN is a showstopper. Kitchen boasts granite counters, tiled backsplash, stainless steel appliances, water softener system, and a tubular skylight to bring in more natural light. Crown molding, high ceilings, 4.5-inch baseboards, and tile flooring throughout the open living spaces. Bedrooms showcase luxurious, acacia wood floors. Ensuite master bath has been elegantly updated with granite counters, custom dual sink vanity, tiled walk-in shower and jacuzzi tub. Master walk-in closet has desirable built-ins. Den has double French doors and frosted glass decorative panes for privacy and can be used in extra guest bedroom. The laundry room and dinette area continue the elegance with granite counters, wine fridge and lighted custom cabinetry. Glass sliding doors open to a covered patio and extended screened in lanai overlooking a tranquil lake and preserve. Enjoy watching nature in your own private retreat. Electric hurricane shutter on lanai, hurricane windows and hurricane leaded glass front door, as well as an alarm system gives you extra peace of mind. Stylish plantation shutters on windows. 2-car extended garage leaves lots of extra room for storage. AC 2018. 50-gallon water heater 2015. Stoneybrook Golf and Country Club is a vibrant community filled with planned activities, an 18-hole Arthur Hills designed golf course, Har-Tru lighted tennis facilities, bocce ball, pickleball, fitness center, full-service restaurant/bar, meeting rooms, heated community pool/spa, pro shop, walking/biking trails, and fishing. Centrally located to Legacy Trail, shopping, beaches and all Sarasota/Venice has to offer. Discover your Florida paradise. Ask for the link to the 3D Matterport tour for your online showing. Seller will pay roof assessment for 2020. For more information, review the details below.